Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the basics of investing. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to refine your strategy, this guide is here to help. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Let's get started. Set clear goals. The first step in your investment journey is to set clear goals. Take some time to define your financial objectives. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Having well-defined goals will guide your investment decisions. Understand risk tolerance. Next, assess your risk tolerance. Understand how comfortable you are with the ups and downs of the market. Different investments come with varying levels of risk, so it's crucial to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key principle in investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to reduce risk and ensures that the performance of one investment doesn't disproportionately impact your entire portfolio. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Stay informed about financial markets, investment options, and economic trends. There are numerous resources, books, and online courses available to enhance your understanding. Start early. The power of compounding is a magical force in investing. Start as early as you can, even if it's with small amounts. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow over time. Choose the right investment vehicles. Selecting the right investment vehicles is crucial. Consider your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs are just a few options to explore based on your individual preferences. Create a budget building. A solid financial foundation involves creating a budget. Ensure you have an emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses so you don't have to tap into your investments prematurely. Long-term perspective. Remember, investing is often a long-term endeavor. While short-term market fluctuations are normal, having a long-term perspective can help you ride out market volatility and benefit from compounding growth. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals. Rebalance when necessary, adjusting your asset allocation to maintain diversification. This ensures your portfolio stays on track as your financial situation evolves. Seek professional advice. If you're ever unsure about your investment decisions, consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Certified financial planners or investment advisors can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. As we conclude today's video, keep in mind that investing is a journey, and there are no one-size-fits-all solutions. Tailor your strategy to your individual circumstances. Stay informed and be patient. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more financial tips. Like and share, follow for updates.